As you can see, there's no the volume's all the way right up. No CTCSS is active, but there's absolutely no audio. That's analog. Mic 3 Victor echo testing. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Nope, nothing at all. But the microphones, outgoing audio is fine. Mic 3 Victor. Volume turned down on that there. I don't know what's right. It's working one way. You know what I mean? It's just going there. There's no. I mean, but the tones are working. Or they were. Get menu and stuff. Did I turn them off? It's a wrong radio. That's what it is. Wrong radio. It's a faulty radio here. I've reset the code plug. The code plug's just VFO in the zone 1 with the initialization channels in it for when you initialize the radio. I've backed up the code plug and put it back on again, reset it again. I've tried different code plugs and it's the exact same. No audio on receive, on DMR, on analog. I mean, absolutely no audio at all. It's just strange. Don't know what's causing it. I get the bleeps and I do get the FM radio. I get that, and if I put the FM radio on, that's working. But that's it. There's no audio. I don't know what's happened. As I said, it just froze it up on me. Total freeze up when I was on speaking to a friend on one of the local repeaters yesterday. The radio froze up on me. I had to take the battery out and put the battery back in again to get it to reinitialize, and then I had no audio. I mean, so reset the radio using the initialization. I mean, the factory reset, and that didn't fix the problem either. Just reset the radio back to commercial mode. Amateur mode was disabled. I had to get back into the code plug again, but I tried it on the commercial mode as well. Still the same. So it's nothing to do with that or anything. I just don't know what it is. It's some sort of hardware fault to me, but we'll see. Okay, thanks.